Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Alienware 17 driver, required driver. So first guys, you have to come this site www.dell.com. After that, click on support and then click on driver and download. Then enter the name Alienware 17 and then click on search. Scroll down, then you can see if you can find out automatically. You just check required driver, you can find and install. Otherwise you have select the manually, so select the driver, select the operating system, Windows 10 8 7. If you are using Windows 10, so you can install the Windows 10 driver, it will be run. Then click on the categorize. So application, audio, chipset, keyboard, mouse, network, storage and all BIOS and all the driver you can see. Scroll down, audio driver, so you can see Realtek audio driver and size also there. Okay, you just click to download. When you click to download, it will run and automatically will start downloading. You can see, and it will complete. Then I show you installations process. So you can see it is downloaded in the download box, audio driver. So double click to open, then click to yes, and then just click on the install. So after that you can see, then next is installing the driver. So it will take some time and depend about your internet, your system performance. Then close it and then closed.